नमस्ते सबैजनालाई भिडियो च्यानल नरेश बायोलोजीमा म नरेश गिरी। आज हामी एचआईभी र एड्ससँग सम्बन्धित एड्ससँग सम्बन्धित सबै अल डिटेल्ड स्टडी गर्नेछौँ। एचआईभी एड्स इज अल्सो कल्ड स्लिम डिजिज HIV AIDS is also called slim disease. HIV AIDS is also called slim disease because person loses 10% of body weight during 6 months. HIV AIDS is also called slim disease because person loses 10% of body weight during 6 months. Now, the first case of HIV was reported in USA in 1981 among African homosexuals. The first case of HIV/AIDS was reported in USA in 1981 among African homosexuals. First case in Nepal. The first case of HIV and AIDS in Nepal was reported in 1988 in Biratnagar. Estimated cases in Nepal about 60,000. Maximum number of AIDS infected people is in India, where millions of people are suffered from HIV and AIDS. The first case of HIV/AIDS was reported in USA in 1981 among African homosexuals. First case in Nepal 1988 in Biratnagar. Estimated cases in Nepal 60,000. Maximum number of AIDS infected people in India. विश्वमा एड्स सबैभन्दा पहिला अमेरिकामा 1981 मा अफ्रिकन होमोसेक्सुअल्सहरुमा देखियो। नेपालमा 1988 मा विराटनगर क्वारेन्टाइनमा देखियो। नेपालमा एस्टिमेटेड केस अफ HIV एन्ड एड्स 60,000 हो भने विश्वमा सबैभन्दा धेरै HIV एड्स इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन इन्डियामा छ, जहाँ 10औं लाख मानिसहरू HIV एड्सबाट पीडित छन्, HIV एड्सबाट इन्फेक्टेड छन्। Now, HIV, the full form of HIV is human immunodeficiency virus. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. HIV-1. HIV-1 is more common than HIV-2. HIV is retrovirus as it can convert RNA into DNA by enzyme reverse transcriptase. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. HIV-1 is more common than HIV-2. HIV is retrovirus as it can convert RNA into DNA. RNA लाई DNA मा with the help of reverse transcriptase enzyme retrovirus can convert. Retrovirus was discovered by Temin and Baltimore. This is not important, but retrovirus किन भनिन्छ भन्दा RNA लाई DNA मा with the help of reverse transcriptase चेन्ज गर्ने भएकोले retrovirus भनिन्छ। HIV affects cell mediated immunity but not humoral immunity. Cell mediated immunity, that is T cell. Humoral immunity in which B cell. Since HIV affects T lymphocyte, that is T cell, thus it is cell mediated immunity. Among T cells, it affects helper T cells. Helper T cell has two types of cell, CD4 and CD8. It affects CD4. CD4 is to CD8, that is ratio of CD4 and CD8 in normal condition 2:1. That is CD4 is double of CD8 in normal condition. However, in HIV infected person, CD4 is to CD8 ratio becomes 1:2. नर्मल कन्डिसनमा CD4 र CD8 को रेसियो 2:1 हुन्छ, बट एचआइभी इन्फेक्टेड पर्सनमा CD4 र CD8 को रेसियो 1:2 हुन्छ, किनकि एचआइभी एफेक्ट्स CD4 cells of helper T cells but not CD8. That's why it decreases the number of CD4. So the ratio comes to be 1:2 from 2:1 in HIV infected person. Mode of transmission of HIV. There are three major modes of transmission. First one is sexual contact, that is sexual intercourse. Most common mode of transmission of HIV and AIDS is sexual contact. Among sexual contact, the most common mode is heterosexual, as it is maximum in number due to greater number, yes. But homosexuals are at higher risk. Homosexuals are at the chances of transmission is 0.01 to 1%. 0.01 देखि 1% सम्म chance of transmission हुन्छ. Among vaginal and anal intercourse, anal is at higher risk than vaginal. The most common mode of transmission of HIV in South Asia is sexual contact. Sexual contact. So HIV is transmitted through semen. Semen, this is very important question. Sexual contact. There are three major mode of transmission of HIV. First one is sexual contact. Most common mode of transmission among homosexual and heterosexual. Heterosexuals are most common due to greater number, but homosexuals are at higher risk. Chances of transmission 0.01 देखि 1% हुन्छ. Among vaginal and anal intercourse, anal is at higher risk, but most common is vaginal due to greater number. Most common mode of transmission of HIV/AIDS in South Asia is sexual contact. So HIV is transmitted through semen and vaginal fluid. Vaginal fluid. So HIV is transmitted through semen and vaginal fluid. 2. Blood contact. Through blood contact, the chances of transmission of HIV/AIDS is maximum, that is greater than 90% chances of transmission of HIV/AIDS. Infected blood transfusion and intravenous drug users. The risk of HIV infection through blood contact, infected blood transfusion and IV drug users. So blood is examined whether it is HIV infected or not before transfusion to prevent infection of HIV/AIDS through blood contact. Among surgeon, physician, surgeon is at higher risk of getting infection with AIDS because surgeon has to face many surgery where there is chance of contact with infected blood. Among colorblind and hemophilic, hemophilic is at higher risk of getting AIDS because in a hemophilic person, blood clotting is infected. Blood clotting is delayed. Blood clotting is delayed. That is, blood takes usually more times to get clot even after minor cutting. That's why there is chances of loss of bleeding, so that hemophilic person is suspected to get AIDS due to excessive bleeding through minor cut. Talking about hemophilia, there are two types of hemophilia. One is hemophilia A and another is hemophilia B. Hemophilia A is due to deficiency of clotting factor 8, while hemophilia B is due to deficiency of clotting factor B. Hemophilia B is also called Christmas Christmas disease, so that we can say that blood contact in blood contact there is maximum chances of transmission of HIV/AIDS, which is greater than 90%. However, in sexual contact, the chances of transmission of HIV/AIDS is only 0.1 to 1%. Infected blood transfusion and intravenous drug users are at higher risk of getting HIV/AIDS through blood contact. Among surgeon and physician, surgeons are at higher risk of getting AIDS, and among colorblind and hemophilic person, hemophilic is at higher risk. Now, vertical transmission, that is from mother to child. Mother can transmit HIV/AIDS to child during delivery, breastfeeding, and also through placenta. Chances of transmission is greater than 30%, while the chances of transmission of HIV/AIDS through blood contact is greater than 90%, and that through sexual contact is 0.01 to 1%, while the chances of transmission of HIV/AIDS from mother to child is greater than 30% during pregnancy, delivery, and breastfeeding. HIV, it is very important to know how HIV can transmit from person to person and how HIV cannot transmit. HIV is transmitted by blood, semen, and vaginal fluid, amniotic fluid, breast milk, etc. However, HIV is not transmitted through sweat, saliva, tears, urine, kissing, etc. So that HIV infected persons should be treated friendlier. So, in the past, many persons thought that we should not eat food cooked by HIV infected person, but this was misconception. But today we have to know that HIV is not transmitted through kissing and eating in the same plate. That is, जुठो खाँदा किस गर्दा एचआइभी सर्दैन, र्यालबाट एचआइभी सर्दैन. एचआइभी केवल ब्लडबाट, सिमेन्टबाट, भेजिनल फ्लुइडबाट, इम्युनिटिक फ्लुइड, ब्रेस्ट मिल्क इटिसीबाट सर्छ. इन्क्युबेसन पिरियड 8 weeks. The incubation period of HIV/AIDS is 8 weeks. Clinical feature. There are 5 stages of clinical feature of HIV/AIDS. The first one is acute viral stages, where flu-like symptoms are seen. Flu-like symptom. There are 5 stages in HIV/AIDS. First one is acute viral stage, where flu-like symptom is seen, like fever, cough, common cold, etc. Window period. The time period between the entry of HIV virus and first symptom is called window period. Window period is the time period between the entry of HIV virus and its antibody test positive. Now third one is asymptomatic stage. Antibody test is positive, however there is no any symptoms absent except for generalized lymphadenopathy. generalized lymphadenopathy. That's why HIV is also called lymphadenopathy associated virus, LAV. एक्युट भाइरल स्टेजमा फ्लू लाइक सिम्पटम्सहरू देखिन्छ। यो फर्स्ट स्टेज हो। विन्डो पिरियड भनेको इन्ट्री अफ भाइरसदेखि एन्टिबडी टेस्ट पोजिटिभ आउनुसम्मको समय हो। एसिम्टोमेटिक स्टेज, जब एन्टिबडी पोजिटिभ आउँछ तब भाइरसले कुनै पनि सिम्पटम देखाउँदैन एक्सेप्ट फर जेनरलाइज लिम्फेडिनोप्याथी। भाइरस लिम्फ नोडमा जान्छ, द्याट्स वाइ नो एनी सिम्पटम्स आर सिन एक्सेप्ट फर जेनरलाइज लिम्फेडिनोप्याथी। सो एचआइभीलाई हामी लिम्फेडिनोप्याथी एसोसिएटेड भाइरस एलएभी पनि भन्छौँ। Now the symptom after asymptomatic stage is AIDS related complex. There are many AIDS related complex which are uncontrolled diarrhea for more than 1 month. In HIV AIDS infected person, the person has finally AIDS infected person finally death हुन्छ। The cause or leading cause of death in AIDS patient is the leading cause of death in AIDS patient is TB, tuberculosis, which is caused by Mycobacterium avium. The leading cause of death in AIDS patient is TB, which is caused by Mycobacterium avium. Tumors associated with AIDS. There are two major tumors. AIDS patient ma duita major tumor हुन्छ, which are Kaposi's sarcoma and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Kaposi's sarcoma is also called skin cancer, while non-Hodgkin's lymphoma is a type of cancer of lymph node. Kaposi's sarcoma is a type of skin cancer, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma is a type of lymph node cancer. Now, diagnosis of cancer. How to know whether patient is suffering from AIDS or not? There are two types of diagnosis. The first one is screening test, another one is confirmative test. Screening test of HIV/AIDS is ELISA test, also called pronunciation different हुन्छ, ELISA or ELISA. Most people say ELISA or ELISA. ELISA test is screening test. Enzyme used is alkaline phosphatase. The full form of ELISA is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. The full form of ELISA is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay, and the enzyme used is alkaline phosphatase. This is very much important question. Many times the questions are asked, which enzyme is used in ELISA? The answer is alkaline phosphatase. Confirmatory test of HIV/AIDS is Western blot. Screening test is ELISA and confirmatory test is Western blot. Northern blotting is related to RNA, southern blotting related to DNA. Western blot is related to HIV, northern blot is related to RNA, southern blot is related to DNA. This is very much important. Treatment of HIV. HIV कसरी ट्रिट गर्न सकिन्छ? HIV can't be treated completely, but the lifespan of patient can be prolonged for some years using some drugs, which can be remembered as mnemonics, which is ALAN, AZT, azithromycin, also called zidovudine. AZT, azithromycin, also called zidovudine. L-बाट lamivudine, N-बाट nevirapine, ALAN, A-बाट AZT, azithromycin, also called zidovudine. L-बाट lamivudine, N-बाट nevirapine. A-बाट azithromycin, also called zidovudine. L-बाट lamivudine, N-बाट nevirapine. Note: lamivudine is also used in hepatitis B. Hepatitis B. AZT, azithromycin, also called zidovudine. L means lamivudine. N means nevirapine. Note: lamivudine is also used in hepatitis B. World AIDS Day is celebrated in 1st December. World AIDS Day is celebrated in 1st December. In this way, we finished. Let's revise. HIV/AIDS, also called slim disease, as person loses 10% of body weight in 6 months. HIV/AIDS is also called slim disease as the person loses 10% of body weight in 6 months. Yes. First case reported in USA in 1981 among African homosexuals. विश्वमा पहिलो केस अमेरिकामा 1981 मा अमङ अफ्रिकन होमोसेक्सुअलमा देखिएको थियो. फर्स्ट केस इन नेपाल 1988 इन विराटनगर क्वारेन्टाइन. Estimated cases in Nepal 60,000. Maximum number of AIDS infected people in India, where millions of people are suffering from AIDS. Agent HIV, full form is human immunodeficiency virus. HIV-1 is more common than HIV-2. HIV is retrovirus, as it can convert RNA into DNA by enzyme reverse transcriptase. HIV affects cell-mediated immunity, which include T lymphocyte, but not humoral immunity, which include B lymphocyte. Among T lymphocyte, HIV affects helper T cells. There are two cells in helper T cells. One is CD4 cell and another is CD8 cell. HIV affects CD4 cell. CD4 is to CD8 ratio in normal condition is 2:1, while in HIV infected person is 1:2. Mode of transmission. There are three major modes of transmission. First one is sexual contact. Most common mode of transmission is sexual contact among homosexual and heterosexual. Heterosexuals are at higher risk. That is, heterosexual is most common, while higher risk is homosexual. Due to heterosexual is most common due to greater number. Chances of transmission of HIV/AIDS through sexual contact is 0.01 to 1%. Among vaginal and anal intercourse is at higher risk. Most common mode of transmission in South Asia. So HIV is transmitted through semen, vaginal fluid. Yes. Blood contact. Chances of transmission is maximum, that is greater than 90%. Infected blood transmission IV drug users. Surgeon is at higher risk. Hemophilic is at higher risk. Vertical contact. Chances of transmission greater than 30%. During pregnancy, delivery and breastfeeding, HIV is transmitted by blood, semen, vaginal fluid, amniotic fluid, breast milk, etc. HIV is not transmitted through sweat, saliva, tears, urine, kissing, etc. Incubation period is 8 to 12 weeks. Clinical feature include, there are 5 stages. First one is acute viral stage, where flu-like symptoms are seen. Window period, entry of virus and first antibody positive. Asymptomatic stage, antibody test is positive but symptoms are absent except for generalized lymphadenopathy. So HIV is also called lymphadenopathy associated virus, LAV. AIDS related complex, uncontrolled diarrhea for more than 1 month, unknown fever for more than 1 month, significant weight loss, that is 10% weight is lost in 6 months, so it is also called slim disease. End stage, the last and 5th stage is end stage. AIDS patient is infected with TB, which is mostly caused by Mycobacterium avium. Finally leads to death, that is leading cause of death in AIDS patient is TB, which is tuberculosis caused by Mycobacterium avium. There are 2 tumors associated with AIDS. First one is Kaposi sarcoma, type of skin cancer, and second one is non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, which is a cancer of lymph node. Diagnosis of HIV, two diagnoses. First one is screening test, which is ELISA. Full form is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay, and the enzyme used is alkaline phosphatase. Confirmatory test is Western blot. Note: northern blotting is related to RNA, southern blotting is related to DNA. Treatment of HIV. HIV completely treat गर्न सकिँदैन, but the lifespan of patient can be prolonged for some years, using drugs which can be remembered as ALN-LN. A for AZT, that is azithromycin, which is also called zidovudine. L means lamivudine, which is also used in hepatitis B, and N means nevirapine. Now finally, last, World AIDS Day is celebrated in 1st December. Now, thank you.